Before you begin, remove the top cover. Removal. Important: ensure the battery cable is disconnected from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the USB board ZIF connector and disconnect the USB board ribbon cable from the USB board. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the USB board to the base enclosure. Grasp the right edge of the USB board and lift it off of its alignment pins on the base enclosure. At an angle, slide the external connectors out of the cutouts in the base enclosure and remove the USB board. Replacement. Tow the external connectors on the USB board into the cutouts in the base enclosure and lower the USB board onto its alignment pins. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the USB board to the base enclosure. Insert the USB board ribbon cable into the USB board ZIF connector on the USB board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place.